The border between China and India is disputed at 20 different locations. Since the 1980s, there have been over 20 rounds of talks between the two countries related to these border issues, but nothing has given a fruitful results. In 2019, India reported over 660 LAC violations and 108 aerial violations by the People's Liberation Army of China, which were significantly higher than the number of incidents in 2018. We still remember that in 2017, China and India got into a major confrontation in Doklam that lasted for almost 73 days. China has since increased its military presence in the Tibetan area, bringing in Type 15 tanks, Harbin Z-20 helicopters, CAIG Wing Lung 2 UAVs, and PCL-181 self-propelled howitzers. Not only this, China also stationed the new Shenyang J-16 and J-11 fighter jets at the Nagri Gunsa airport, which is 200 kilometers from Pangsong TSO, Ladakh. As a result of these increased military presence by China, India has also started concentrating on such aspects. The Indian Air Force has deployed Apache attack helicopters in Ladakh to provide tactical support to the ground forces if needed. Not only this, it would also be using the Chinook heavyweight choppers to help in the movement of men and equipment amid the tensions with China. The increased deployment also includes regular combat air patrols, besides flying a host of surveillance aircraft, including by intelligence agencies and the Navy's Boeing P-8I aircrafts. Another strong point is that the Mirage 2000 fighter aircraft, which carried out the Balakot airstrikes last year, have also been moved to the bases near the Ladakh region from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. This has been done to ensure they can fly over in the Ladakh region within minutes of taking off. While the 14th Corps, the army division that looks after Ladakh, is sufficiently armed in terms of artillery, armor, men and reserves, more soldiers have been brought in to create large reserves and forward deployment. So all these are preparations which is being done by the Indian Defence Forces, including the Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy, in order to safeguard our border and our areas in the Ladakh region from Chinese people. So this is what is happening in the border, and I thought I'll just upload a video quickly on this same. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or a new aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.